Once the environment loads in the browser, you will enter the virtual space. Using the arrow keys, move toward the Run Experiment button. To start the experiment, press the F key or click the button with your mouse. This will take you into the operant conditioning chamber. At the beginning, a fixed ratio 1 schedule will be active for 60 seconds. This means that every time you press the lever while the red light is on, a food pellet will be delivered. You can collect the pellet by moving toward it. In the web browser version, you activate the lever by jumping onto it using the spacebar. Now let's go back to Unity to modify the reinforcement schedule. In the Hierarchy panel, locate the object called Script and select it. In the inspector, you will see 3 important variables: ratio_list, interval_list, and session_time. These variables allow you to configure different reinforcement schedules. For example, in a fixed ratio 10 schedule, the subject receives a pellet after every 10 responses. In this case, the ratio_list should contain a single value of 10. In a variable ratio 10 schedule, the number of responses varies, but averages 10. To achieve this, you need multiple values in the ratio_list, such as 2, 4, 6, 9, 12, 17, and 20. For a fixed interval 10 schedule, the first response after 10 seconds produces a pellet. This requires setting the ratio_list to 1 and the interval_list to 10. In a variable interval 10 schedule, the time interval varies but averages 10 seconds. This is done by adding multiple values to the interval_list, such as 2, 4, 6, 9, 12, 17, and 20. Finally, you can adjust the total duration of the session by modifying the session_time variable. This allows you to fully customize the experimental conditions within the virtual environment.